Today's topic is sedimentation added with coagulation. Sedimentation added with coagulation means sedimentation in this sedimentation tank, the process of settle down the particles in sedimentation tank with the help of chemicals. So this process is known as sedimentation added with coagulation. Coagulation is the chemical technique which is directed towards the destabilization of the charged colloidal particles or fine particles, small size particles. And another term, flocculation. First is coagulation. Second term is flocculation is the slow mixing technique. Mixing technique of coagulants or chemicals. So flocculation is the slow mixing technique which promote the agglomeration of the destabilized particles. Generally, the entire process, this full process or entire process of addition of chemicals and mixing means flocculation is called coagulation. So in coagulation involve addition of chemical and mixing. This is the coagulation, and it is also done in sedimentation tank. So first process is plain sedimentation, and second is sedimentation added with coagulation. Now what happened in this process? First addition of chemical and thorough mixing, then formation of precipitate and its flocculation or flock forms means fine particles bind together or bigger particle formed with many particles of with binding many particles of small colloidal particles, and then bigger particle is settled down in the bottom of the sedimentation tank. So this is the process: addition of chemical, formation of precipitate or flock, and then settle down in the tank, and where is remove out. Now chemicals used for coagulation, first is alum. Formula of alum or general alum: Al2SO4 thrice dot 18H2O. It reacts chemicals or coagulants. Chemical used for coagulation, these are known as coagulants. First alum, it reacts with bicarbonate alkalinities to form a flock. Chemical or alum react with bicarbonate alkalinities present in water and form a flock gelatinous material of aluminum hydroxide, which attract the fine particles and grows in size and finally settle down at bottom of the sedimentation tank. So reaction is Al2SO4 thrice dot 18H2O plus 3CaSCO3 twice by calcium bicarbonate present in water. 3CaSO4 plus 2AlOH thrice aluminum hydroxide, and this is the precipitate, plus 6CO2 carbon dioxide gas escape. Now dose normal dose of alum is 5 milligram per liter to 85 milligram per liter, depend upon the turbidity of water. 85 milligram per liter is high dose for highly turbid water. Average normal dose is about 17 milligram per liter in general. pH range 6.5 to 8.3. It requires alkalinity in water. 6.5 to 8.3 means water should be alkaline. It reduces color, means alum reduces color and odor also. External alkalis like lime, CaOH twice, or soda ash, Na2CO3 are generally added to maintain alkalinity. If water has little alkalinity, so external alkalinity add in water in the form of lime or soda ash. Second chemical or second coagulant is copperous or ferrous sulfate, FeSO4.7H2. Copperous is generally added to raw water. Raw water means not treatment in water, but while treatment of sewage water. So added to raw water or sewage water in conjunction with lime. When lime is added first, then reaction is FeSO4.7H2O plus CaOH twice. Then CaSO4 plus FeOH twice plus 7H2O. When copperous is added first, then reaction is this FeSO4.7H2O plus CaSCO3 twice. Copperous react with calcium bicarbonate present in water. If copperous is added first, then reaction is FeSCO3 twice plus CaSO4 plus 7H2O. Then lime in reaction FeSCO3, this ferrous bicarbonate FeSCO3 twice plus 2 CaOH twice lime. Now FeOH twice ferrous hydroxide plus 2 CaCO3 plus 2H2O. Now 4 FeOH twice plus O2 plus 2H2O, 4 FeOH thrice ferrous hydroxide. This is the flock. Flocks in the form of ferrous hydroxide. This chemical is cheaper than alum. Copperous or ferrous sulfate is cheaper than alum. Function in pH range of 8.5 and above. Dosage or quantity is same as alum, like in general 17 milligram per liter of ferrous sulfate used. Third chemical or coagulant is chlorinated copperous. When chlorine is added to a solution of copperous or ferrous sulfate, it results in formation of ferric sulfate and ferric chloride. Now reaction is 6 FeSO4.7H2O plus 3 Cl2. Add chlorine. Then 2 Fe2SO4 thrice plus 2 FeCl3. This is these two Fe2SO4 thrice plus 2 FeCl3 in combined form chlorinated copperous at low pH. Work as in low pH plus 42H2O. Now Fe2SO4 thrice plus 3 CaOH twice react with lime, 3 CaSO4 plus 2 FeOH thrice. This is precipitate in bottom. 2 FeCl3 plus 3 CaOH twice, then 3 CaCl2 plus 2 FeOH thrice, and this is the settle down in the bottom of the tank. So this is the chlorinated copperous. Work effective pH range 4 to 7 and above 9. Then ferric sulfate. And if pH range 3.5 to 6.5 and above 8.5, then form ferric chloride. In this case, use ferric chloride. Fourth chemical or coagulant is sodium aluminate, Na2Al2O4. It reacts with salt of calcium and magnesium present in water and result in formation of calcium and magnesium aluminate. So reaction is Na2Al2O4 plus CaSCO3 twice calcium bicarbonate. Now formation is CaAl24 in bottom plus Na2CO3 plus CO2 plus H2O. And now react with calcium and magnesium. Na2Al2O4 plus CaCl2 CaAl2O4 plus 2 NaCl, and Na2Al Al2O4 plus CaSO4 react with calcium present in water. Third is plus CaSO4. So now CaAl2O4 precipitate in bottom plus Na2SO4. This is the reaction of sodium aluminate with calcium present in water. It is generally used to treat boiler feed water. Now comparison between alum and iron salt. In case of alum, alum makes less heavy flock. Iron salt produce heavy flock than alum. Second, in case of iron salt, good alum salt is good oxidizing agent, can remove hydrogen sulfide. That is why iron salt or copperus is used in sewage water or wastewater, because smell present in sewage water due to hydrogen sulfide H2S gas. So iron salt or copperus is good oxidizing agent and can remove hydrogen sulfide. Third is pH range. Alum work in pH range of water 6.5 to 8.3 pH. Iron salt wider range of pH. In case of alum, use alum no staining, and use iron salt cause staining and promote iron bacteria. Fifth point is, in case of alum, use impart less corrosiveness, and in case of iron salt, impart more corrosiveness. Use of alum, no skill supervision required. In case of iron salt, require more skill and control. In case of alum, for treating raw waters or water, and iron salt used for treating sewage. So this is the sedimentation added with coagulation, means sedimentation of finer particle with the help of chemicals or coagulants. Thank you.